Hi, I'm Lauren from SquareKicker. Michael Bordzik, owner of Vative Creative, is an incredible web designer charging up to $30,000 per site. He is a goldmine of knowledge, and here are some great insights into how he runs his web design business.
My business model is project-based, and the reason I chose this is because it's super transparent to the client. When I first started, I did do the hourly rate thing, but then what I ended up finding was like a lot of clients would just rush to get it done because they didn't want to keep paying me hourly. And then I always felt as if the website was not finished or not complete. And so I decided I'm going to build a website. I'm going to give you a price, and there's no limitations really on that. If the website needs 10 pages, the website needs 10 pages. And I just explained to them that like you're getting an expert to build you a website. And so to me, by giving them the client that freedom to pick apart the website, I get to be creative, think of something new, and they ultimately end up getting a website that they're truly like really, really happy with. So the way I price my projects are just straight up, this is the cost. But to get to that, it's been quite of a journey. I think I'm really, really good at what I do. And I do truly believe I'm an expert at building websites. When I first started, it was like $500, $600. Now I'm about $5,000. Some people think like, oh, because it's one page, it's basic. That's not basic. That's actually, in my opinion, it's brilliant. If you could figure out how to make something as perfect as that, minimal, like that takes a very skillful person. And I think that that's important. So like no website to me is basic, whether it's one page or 30 pages, the website's built for what the business needs. My website pricing starts at right now is nothing less than $5,000. And they go up to $25,000, $30,000, depending on how complex or what the solution we're trying to solve is. Pages, blogs, transferring those things over take a lot of time. So that's more or less the time aspect rather than like the building aspect, if that makes any sense. How I keep projects on track is I use a project management system, and I'm using Bonsai now. It's really great because I can funnel my clients' communication through there, which is really nice. One thing I do is I'm just very good with communicating to my clients. Like I am currently building 6 websites. You're the 7th in line, and we'll start your website at this date. You'll get a calendar invite to meet with us on this day. We sit down, we have that meeting. Once we have that meeting, we go from there. The longest part is like the building of the site. Sometimes that for me can take a little bit longer than others, but just communicating and let them know like what the process is there. Then I hand it off to them. To be honest with you, the hardest part is getting them to give me the stuff back. So in my contract, I pretty much tell them you have 60 days from when I give you the first website build to get me information back. And if we don't, then I can increase my pricing. I can shut the project down, depending all of this stuff. Follow up as much as you can. You're never really bothering people. They just kind of need that little bit of a shove. And yeah, communication really is about it. How I use SquareKicker is it's in every single one of my websites. Not a single one goes without it, whether it has the most complex animations or none. In terms of cost, the price alone for what it can do to my own website is worth having the subscription to it. So I think it's super important to have something that elevates you above, especially nowadays, like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Squarespace can do it, Wix can do it, all of them can do it. It's like, what are you doing that's going to set your website apart from everybody else? To me, I don't ever charge more for it. I look at it as just a cost for my website, like just as part of the business. It's like a power drill for a builder. Like it's the tool that I need to make efficient websites. And I've said this a million times. SquareKicker's best thing is all the little things that it does. Like spacing in a text tool that's infinitely better than the version that Squarespace has. The being able to maneuver a block just ever so slightly because the grid doesn't work the way you want it to. It's those little details that make a website look infinitely better and well more polished. It's a tool that is a necessity. In my opinion, if you're building Squarespace websites as a developer and you don't have SquareKicker, I would just go use a whole completely other platform. If you're really serious about taking it to the next level, there's no reason that you should have anything but that, because like I said, every tool is infinitely better than what you can do with Squarespace, in my opinion. If you're looking to do this business model as a developer, whether you're just starting out or maybe you do hourly and you're trying to convert over, my advice is don't cut corners ever. There is definitely times that it's brutal because you're building a project and you're not getting paid hourly. You're not billing them like once a week or something. But what I will say to every single person, no matter whether you're doing hourly or project basis, like as long as you truly build the best website that you truly can build, then that's all that matters. So if you quote somebody $2,000 for a website, you need to build the best $2,000 website you can build, right? So it's like oversell like $2,000 and you need to deliver them a $5,000 website. But that's because every website I build, I look at it as a new challenge. And even if it's taking a long time, even though sometimes you're like, oh, I want to switch it to hourly or something, or I need, like, stick it out. You gave them a price, learn from it, and just keep, no matter what, just always deliver the best product, because that customer could ultimately love that experience from you, and they will tell hopefully 3, 4, 5, 6 other people.